Starren, are you making your compound puzzle?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're working on pets and farm animals all at once. What do you have there? A sheep? Where's sheep go? Where does sheep go, Starren? Is your foot on it? Whoops. There's sheep. See? Yeah, good girl. Just need to put it in there. Yeah. What's that one? Is that pig? Yeah, good girl. Can you move it so it goes in? Look, move it over. Yeah. Good, now what's next? What's that? Doggy, good girl, right in there. What's that? That bird? Good, honey. Good. Now what's that? Cat?
Yeah.
Good girl.